Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick little video about one of the things that is often a very good thing to do when you are actually on Windows. If you use your PC every day and use it a lot, it is of course a little tedious. It is something that takes time to do, but one of the things that helps a lot and that I often recommend to everyone is please do a clean install from time to time. My typical average time is about a year. I usually will say, well, once a year, take the time to do a clean install and make sure that your Windows is reinstalled. So what's a clean install exactly? A clean install means you've taken everything you have on your computer, you've backed up somewhere, all your files, documents, music, videos, and then what you do is you'll take a look at all the apps or all the programs you've installed through time. Take note of all of that to make sure that you remember which apps and which programs you were using. And then using either a physical copy. So for example, if you're on Windows 7, you'll have a Windows 7 disk. On Windows 8 and Windows 10, you can have either a disk, but most of you will actually have to download an image from the internet and actually put it on a USB thumb drive or burn it on a DVD. Boot your computer from that, and in the process of reinstalling, you'll want to reformat your hard drive and reinstall Windows from scratch as if your computer was brand new. Doing that really works a miracle. And an example is the machine I'm using right now. It's starting to have some glitches on Windows 10. Well, I have clean installed Windows 10 on this machine, and it works amazingly well. Actually, it gave it speed that it had lost over time, and this often is the case. Windows gets bigger, the registry gets bloated, and as time goes on, your Windows operating system doesn't operate as fast as it used to. And a clean install often gives you a lot more speed that you kind of lost over time. So some of you might have a recovery partition also on your hard drive from the manufacturer, so you can check that out if you have a brand computer like a Toshiba, a Dell, a Lenovo, a HP, and so on, and of course Acer, and check out the instructions on how to reinstall. But from time to time, typically if you use it a lot, once a year is actually not a bad idea to reinstall Windows and get your computer back to usability. Sometimes people say, hey, I think I need a new PC, and then you reinstall Windows and you're like, wow, it's fast again. Yep, you don't necessarily need to buy a new computer. Sometimes the clean install or reinstalling Windows will fix everything. But make sure you back up those files before you do so, because you don't want to lose anything. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.